Fitness Blender for Workout Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to Fitness Blender and related products are added in the description below. Fitness Blender is a popular online fitness platform that offers free and paid workout videos designed for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced. It's especially ideal for people who want straightforward, no-nonsense workouts they can do at home without fancy equipment. One of the key features is its massive library of over 600 workout videos covering strength training, HIIT, cardio, Pilates, stretching, and low-impact exercises. This variety allows users to tailor their routines to personal goals, whether that's weight loss, muscle toning, or overall fitness. The workouts are led by certified trainers Daniel and Kelly, whose clear, motivating coaching style makes it easy to follow along. Another advantage is the customizable workout plans Fitness Blender offers. These are affordable, downloadable programs that provide structure for users who want a guided fitness journey. The platform is also very transparent about what to expect from each workout, including duration, difficulty, and equipment needed, which helps users select sessions that fit their time and resources. Fitness Blender is great for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts, since many workouts are free, and the paid plans are reasonably priced with no hidden fees or subscriptions. However, the presentation is quite minimalistic and lacks the flashy production or gamification features that some users might expect from more commercial apps. This means it's best suited for people who prioritize effective workouts over fancy interfaces. Overall, Fitness Blender is an excellent choice if you want expert-led, versatile workouts with clear instructions, especially if you prefer a straightforward approach without distractions. Whether you're working out at home or traveling, Fitness Blender delivers quality fitness content accessible to all. Check the description for links to get started and find the plan that fits your goals. This honest review should help you decide if Fitness Blender is the right workout platform for you.